Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this one bowl vegan chocolate chip banana bread. Let's begin. So just before we get into today's video, I wanted to let you know it's a collaboration with my friend Andrea from the Relatable Kitchen. For the collab we decided to try one another's recipes, but we didn't tell the other which recipe we were trying. So I went with the banana bread as I feel like it's become a quarantine essential to make, and now I can finally say I've made a banana bread during the quarantine. So don't forget to go and subscribe to Andrea's YouTube channel and check her out on social media. Again, all of those links will be in the description down below, so go and check that out. Don't forget to comment on her latest video saying you've come from my channel if you have. So to start on the banana bread, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in the mashed bananas, along with the light brown sugar, the oil, the milk, and you should add the vanilla, but I've completely forgot to add it, so I added it in the next stage. Then give it all a good mix together until it's fully combined. Now you can go ahead and add in the dry ingredients, first starting with the flour. You didn't see me add the vanilla now, followed by the bicarbonate of soda and the salt, along with the ground cinnamon. Then give it all a good mix until it's almost fully incorporated, but you don't want to overwork the gluten in the flour, making for your banana bread to have a tougher texture. Once you have stopped mixing, you can then go ahead and add in your chocolate chips, scattering them over the top of the dough, then working them in using a spatula or a wooden spoon, whichever works best for you. You'll just want them to be fairly distributed throughout the batter. Now you can grab your loaf tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper and greased lightly with some oil. Then just take your cake batter and transfer it into the loaf tin. You don't have to get it as perfectly level as possible, that's not for now. You can then take a fork or something similar and just spread it out until it's more of a level consistency. Then you can go ahead and take some chocolate chips and just scatter them on top just to add more chocolate, because who doesn't want more chocolate with a chocolate chip banana bread? So once the banana bread has fully baked and has been allowed to fully cool, you can then start to slice it up, and you can cut it all up in one go or cut it as you need it. But I'm cutting a piece now to show you what it looks like on the inside, and here is what it looks like. Could you ask for any more? You've got the banana bread, you've got chocolate chips, put them together, you've got the perfect banana bread here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description where there will be links to Andrea's channel and her social medias, and there'll be a link to the recipe which is over on Andrea's channel. I'll leave a link to my blog and all my socials as usual. Don't forget to go and check them out. Until next time, bye guys.